Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Sushil and you're watching the channel Cravings. So in my past two videos you may have seen that I made some desserts. So this video is going to be about a little bit of snack and it's going to be really amazing and it's definitely a must try one. And this includes like all cheesy, all crunchy and everything, that it's a whole form of goodness. And so today I made garlic bread, and it's not just a normal garlic bread, it's a cheesy garlic bread. And who doesn't like cheese? So if you want to know how to make this beautiful thing, you should really watch this video till the end. And it's a little time consuming process, so you have to wait for that, otherwise it can be made it really easily. Let's get started. I'm having 2/3 cup or 125 ml of warm milk. To that 2 tablespoons of sugar I'm gonna add. To that 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and give that a mix and keep it aside for 10 minutes till it blooms. In a separate mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of flour or Maida, and I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt. And give that a mix. Now I'm going to add the milk mixture to it, or the yeast mixture. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you're using salted butter, avoid salt. And now I have whisked 1 whole egg, and I'm going to save that a little for later. And mix that well as well. I'm having a dough mat here. You can use any surface to work on. I'm gonna put the dough onto my mat, and I will use my hands to fold it all together. I'm using that little extra flour without sticking onto anything. That's the reason we are using the extra flour. Now look how smooth the dough has become. Make it a ball and keep it aside. I am preparing my cake tin. I'm going to be using this today. I placed butter and on top of that parchment paper. Now I'm taking a little bit of butter and applying it to the sides. Now I will take the dough and I'm placing it on the cake tin. I'm using partially wet cloth to cover my dough, and I'm resting this for 2 hours. And now you see how well it bloomed after 2 hours. So beautiful. I'm having the extra egg, which I have saved it before. I'm going to apply it on the top to give that a glaze. I'm going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Till then we will make our garlic butter mixture. I'm having 2 tablespoons of butter. It should be either melted or creamy. I'm using mixed herbs, oregano and pepper powder. Mix this really well to combine it. Well, what is garlic bread without a garlic? I'm going to be using 4 cloves of chopped garlic. And now bring all the seasons, and it's so beautiful. Now that my bread is ready, we will gently take that out. It will be taking a little long time as I'm wearing gloves. Look how smooth and textury it is. Oh my god. Let it cool for a little bit. Now we're going to be using that garlic butter mixture just a little bit and glaze it over the top. I'm having a long knife, always better long knife, and I'm gonna make it a 4 columns and 3 row section. Now apply the garlic butter mixture inside the bread. Make sure you're giving each slices a good seasoning. Now did I miss anything? Oh, there it is. I'm adding half a cup of mozzarella cheese. It's shredded. Now stuff the cheese in between the sliced bread. Now I'm using the same cake tin which I have baked the bread and placing this garlic bread on top. I'm using that little cheese as well to spread all over the top to give that a design. Now I'm gonna add oregano, just seasoning, and chili flakes. Again, it's for seasoning. Now I'm baking this again for 10 minutes. Wow, look at that, it's so good. Now remove the sides using the knife so that it will be very easy to take it off. Wow, now our final product is done. Let's just taste it. I really love garlic bread so much, and then this, it really looks like a cake, but then so it's just gonna be easy to pick up and eat it, right? And it's so really good. Look at that. Looks like a cake, but it's not. But if you eat it, it's gonna be so good. Definitely do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please do like this video and share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell also so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you. Till then, ciao.